In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications over here. Following that, you need to scroll down again and tap on one of your apps you wish to manage. Then use the switcher at the top, located next to Allow Notifications, to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!